Do you have to wait the whole week to start your weekend on Saturday? And like me, if you hate Mondays, you might quit your job very soon. I warn you that if you are thinking about quitting your job without a solid plan, you may regret it later. According to a recent survey done by Joblist, about 1/4 of people regret their decision of quitting their job. And if you are giving time to thoughts of quitting and trying to make a careful decision, you obviously don't want to be one of those regretting their decision of quitting. But before we dive deep into the details, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Optimize, to get connected with experts in business and life circles. Here are the most common reasons why you should quit your job. You are a free soul. Having your own business offers you true freedom. You are the one who will choose what to and when to do it. You will quit your job because you can't be dictated to by the managers and HRs. You get to decide when to retire and how to design your lifestyle. And as they say, financial freedom is the best freedom, and it never comes with a 9-to-5 job. You are your own boss and you work for yourself. If you have goals and desires that make you work for your dreams only, nobody else can cage you in their chains. Anyone who doesn't like to be bossed and bullied by employees and managers, and if they don't like to work 80 hours a week for someone, the job is not their cup of tea. I love this man Tony Gaskins and his saying that, if you don't build your dream, someone will hire you to help build theirs. This is totally up to you if you want to be used by others or if you're going to use others to accomplish your dreams and goals. Here I am not insulting working 24/7, but the fact is fact and we can't ignore it. Your business and investments give you unlimited growth. While starting your own business and investments will unlock the unlimited doors for you to grow and flourish, there is another reason that will make you quit your job. Your 9-to-5 job limits your earnings, and even if you work like a donkey 365 days a year, your earnings can even come close to the earnings of a businessman or investor. Let alone these limits, there are other insecurities of the job haunting you, like increasing inflation every other day. The decision is yours whether you are a 9-to-5 slow and sluggish worker or a 24/7 entrepreneur. You have a bad boss and toxic work environment or new job. People do not quit jobs, but they quit managers. Whenever you feel like your boss is continuously mismanaging you, ignoring the good work, bullying, or not just appreciating you enough, it may be your time to say goodbye. I quit my second job because they had a very strict dress code and an unhealthy work environment. If there is ineffective communication, disrespect, or toxic behavior, it will have a bad effect on your professional and personal happiness. If you can't cope with the situation, get yourself a better new job. New job. What if you were offered your dream job? Would you quit? The answer would be yes. Of course, nobody would miss the better work as we are all always striving for excellence. But before you resign, get your confirmed job letter and a ready resignation letter. Also, don't forget to settle your accounts with the company before leaving for your dream job. Your organization has no future and offers you no growth. Currently, many companies are shutting down due to the pandemic and some of them are not recovering from the damages done by COVID. If you see any such signs as underperformance of your company and an increase in employee turnover, all these are red flags for you. Go with some research and discreet inquiries about whether the future of the organization you work at is safe. And if you want to learn but not getting opportunities, it would be good for you to find and join a new organization where your future is safe. You are unable to follow your passion or underuse your skills. If your current job is not giving you the fulfillment of your passion, you are unable to perform with productivity, and if you feel like you are not working and this is not your type of job, these are all red flags. If people feel like they are not using their skills, they should consider quitting their current jobs. That's what the famous entrepreneur Gary Vee quotes: "The greatest gift you can give to yourself is finding a work you are naturally adept at and passionate about." Last but not least, if you have decided to quit your job and you think this might be the best decision for you, make sure to check for a new and better job. I will suggest you consider the risks of an employment gap on your CV and the risk of losing income. And before quitting, give proper notice to your HR before submitting your resignation letter. That was all for today. And if you actually made it all the way through this video, I appreciate you for being a true subscriber. I am wondering if you have ever been through any of these situations. What was your response? And how you tackled that situation? Did you quit or not? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching.